This Full HD video tutorial will show how to disable Windows updates, also to re-enable Windows updates if required, and to disable again Windows 10 buggy updates. I did this in desperation after a Windows 10 update on one computer stopped my screen recorder working. A month later, after an update on another PC, the video editing program became partly crippled. Great thing about this free software is the ease of use, and blocking is easily reversible. In your browser, type Sordum Windows Update Blocker. Top link has lots of optional information. I clicked on the second link, which is best for downloading, then on Direct Download. I ignored 3 deleted files below the downloading program. I use Windows key and E to open File Explorer and find the downloaded program. This is WUB version 1.8. I use 7-zip to extract here. If you need more time to read anything, press the J key to go back 10 seconds. I opened the WUB folder, ignored the top 3 files, and clicked on the bottom one for my 64-bit computer. I uncluttered the desktop. This is where you control the program. There is a menu for those who want more information. I used shortcut keys Windows and R rather than typing below in the search bar. Type services.msc. And press OK. Scroll down to the bottom to find Windows Update. In WUB, I will now click on Disable Updates and then on Apply Now. A white cross has appeared to indicate service is disabled. Disabled can be confirmed by double-clicking the Windows Update cogwheel. I will now press Enable Updates and Apply Now. The white tick indicates the service is enabled again. Enabled can be confirmed by double-clicking the cogwheel. I will now press Disable Updates and Apply Now. White cross indicates service is disabled. Disabled can be confirmed on Windows Update. So, no more Windows 10 updates, installing unwanted tracking programs like Edge, or changing my computer settings and having bugs corrupting some of my installed expensive programs. Microsoft has to continue sending security updates as Windows 10 has more holes than Swiss cheese. For these and a dozen other reasons, I have changed 2 of my computers over to Linux. Below this Full HD video is a link to my new YouTube channel, Linux Mint 1080 Tutorials. Also below this online video is a link to my YouTube channel, Greatest Suggestions. Subscribe to be advised when I upload future videos.